I actually was able to wake up at a semi-normal time after being awake for, I think I calculated like 28 total hours. I'm just headed into the office. Luckily the place that I booked is like a 10-minute walk. Gotta make sure I'm looking at the right direction of oncoming traffic here. I wanted to give a quick Airbnb apartment tour because it's super eccentric and unique and cute. I'm really into it. So this is the kind of kitchen living space area. They've got tons and tons of books. And then over here, I love these decorations. Wow, these little cubes. This is like, I guess, nautical. This clock reminds me of like the one in the Musée d'Orsay in Paris. Love this exposed brick thing going on. Lots of eclectic, oh, very cool. Yes, it is a little bit wet outside, but it was actually really nice when I got in. It was like pretty sunny. Ooh. Here we are in London, right by King's Cross. And back through over to, oh yeah, this cool little like comic section. Bathroom, dope shower, big fan, and the bedroom. That's all for the tour. Thanks for joining me. My suitcase has been transported into the wardrobe.
And we can dance all day around it. If you front it, I'll be bouncing. If you want it, scream it, shout it, babe. Before I leave you dry, night and morning, keeping me in the morning. I bet you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? Day night and morning, keeping me in the morning. I bet you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this.
Vlogging. Say hello! It's Valentine's night!
Do you like my bag?
So cute. Where's it from? Tell everybody.
The London School of Economics.
I was just commenting on how lively it was, this like random street in Soho that we're walking through. It's currently like 11:45 p.m. and I normally would have been in bed hours ago in San Francisco.
Beautiful.
No. You don't understand. I get so much deja vu just walking everywhere around here.
Are you still vlogging?
Yeah. Oh, they're doing Harry Potter here. Very cool. Really?
Because I went to the opening day of the show here 4 years ago.
How was it?
Fantastic.
Highly recommend.
Oh boy. I mean, red.
This is a universal staple of the
Is
world.
it though? Do you really have the guys with the hot dogs and the onions?
Yes.
Really?
And it smells that
No,
good
they do not have
on
that
the
in
side of
New
the
York.
streets. Do they not? Oh, they have like
No. I
halal.
don't know if it's just the neighborhood in which I live,
Yeah.
but I like don't know where to look. I'm always struggling to find anything to eat, truly.
Just like
I
late
went
night
and
food?
got pita and hummus because I had no food in my house.
That's all you eat.
That's all I eat, just
Apparently.
in general, but it's also like a solid late night staple.
LSE
life.
dorm tour.
No, you can't go in on the video. No way. No way. Your vlog, people can hear. Wait, here's really something funny. So I bought this new, very fancy
Super fancy.
tea kettle. And the other day I tried to make coffee in my room, which is basically like plunging the French press. And it got stuck and it splattered. You can see remnants of it. I was late to class. Over here, everything.
The spray zone was just like,
so like, look, you can see it
everywhere.
Here. Look at here.
Oh no! Oh my god!
But look who didn't get any coffee. The fucking Catholics.
That's the best thing.
Even Hillsong got coffee. All the way over here, and the Catholics got nothing. What does that tell you?
Oh my gosh!
It's like
that is the power of Jesus, y'all.
Like one
It's a gloomy day, and I went to sleep at 6 a.m. last night and woke up at 2 p.m. today. Luckily, I guess I skipped most of the rain. This is my way of rationalizing the fact that I wasted half a day. This is today's outfit of the day. These are actually corduroy overalls, which I'm very excited about. They are super flare. I think I have kind of almost a Western theme going on with these boots.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you knew the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens when two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Love again, yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your boys, you act so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, alone is where you don't end up. I promise. You know that I'm crazy. You should ask
My mind is blown. Also, someone who lives in an apartment like this would have
I'm
this type of...
shocked.
I'm shook.
What? Okay, what's our current view?
So
What is
the
this?
shard is over there.
That's the shard. That's fine. Okay.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then cycle back around to you. Coming back around to you. Coming back around.
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
Drifting on my own again.
Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone with you? Can I be alone with you? If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Love again. Oh, if you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again.
Fashion Week event. I forgot to explain, we ran a full day workshop for our social impact arts and culture partners at YouTube, and then just came over to Covent Garden to the Vogue offices for our Fashion Week event. So, it's a day.
Derek is our head of fashion and beauty at YouTube, and we're going to talk to us a bit about what you've been doing for the last 18 months since you got here, and the force of nature that is a YouTube headphone.
Sorry for Vogue, but that's a whole other story for another day. Unless this one comes really off the rails, we can dive into.
Walking to the office.
Yeah. That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on a slow move. It's the same way you showed me. If you could fly, then you'd feel south. Up north's getting cold soon. The way it is, we're on land, so I'm someone to hold true. Keep you cool when it's still alive. Won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the same way you showed me. Showed me. You showed me love. Glory from above. Regardless, dear. It's all. Dark skin of a summer shade, nose dive in the floodlines, tall tower, milk crate. It's the same way you showed me. Cannonball off the porch side, older kids trying off the roof. Just the same way you showed me.